meghalayapost.news.
Hadu shispa saungut ki Pulit on branch but Ngut ki follower Bala Pyndep Jinghikai. Mentara sengi kila Pynkup Burom haga fourth batch passing out parade jangka branch recruit constables Bala pelong police training center jangka 6th battalion kabadan Umran Ribuai district. Ya kita ki Pulit Bala ada ban pentibit lawan Pynkup Burom daka kong ida shisha nongrang kepada ke Director General of Police ke Jela ke Kongsan Hak Jingadon Lang Uritu Raj Ravi Komandan ke 6 MLP Battalion Aptc Umran ki he Pulit officer naga Jela bat ki bahing basam jang kita ki Pulit Bala Pyndep Jinghikai. Hak kita singi nak kalian kita ki Pulit officer ki Bala Pyndep Jinghikai kelak sim mentaru ya ke parit hak ba ke DGP ke Kongsan kelak sim ka salute. Hak bakren hak kita singi nak kalian ke DGP ke Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang kelak pen pau ya ke jing sarong ban ai kublei ya ki hispa saungut ki Pulit langrut ki batmai ki Bala Pyndep hok ya ki Jinghikai basdang ke jongki hadim ki deiru ki dikhot batmai jong kalong yeng Pulit ke Jela Meghalaya kala airu ke jingkublei bakerpang ya ka police training center bat baro ki Jinghikai ki badan mentau ban trechtom bat IT lut ban pitikana ya ke jingjob jong ki Pulit ki Bala arung thmai hakakam kemba hakini ke juk ba menta ki samla ki bathep ya ka kam constable ki deiru ki Bala pass ya ki kirdan ba khamsalor kumka graduate but postgraduate namar hagipor bamenshwa ju khamdan kot ki samla Bala pass ki kirdan bachelor ban thep ya ki tegi post haba penkut nagaleng ke DGP nongrang kala kenturu ya ki tegi nong trei thma jo katanat Pulit bakin bat ya ki kendon ban chakri da ka akor ke Burom hakakam Bala pensat aki bat kembala hikai bat shimru ya ke parit bat ka jingbam smai la khmi lentiru bakin ai ke jing chakri hok hakatanat Pulit jo ke Jela hagi si ban wan
to address especially the ladies and gentlemen who are here, the families of all the recruit constables passing out today, and most importantly, the recruit constables who are here today. All 104 of you have done yourselves proud. As we stand here today, and after taking the oath to serve Meghalaya Police, let me be the first to welcome you into the Meghalaya Police family. As you pass out today, you have before you an unblemished record. There are some amongst you who have won prizes. This should be taken as an inspiration and as an indication that you have many more prizes to win. For those who have not, rest assured that there will be umpteen opportunities for you to win prizes and laurels for the Meghalaya Police, for yourselves, and for your country. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Armed Police Training Center and all the instructors who have obviously put in a lot of effort to ensure that these 104 constables and the 7 followers who are part of this parade today have done so exceedingly well. They are a reflection of all the hard work and dedication to duty that you as instructors have imparted into them. As stated by the Commandant in his report, a number of subjects have been touched upon, and you have been given an opportunity to learn about various things. As you stepped out into regular duty henceforth, you will be called upon to utilize all those inputs that have been given to you. You will also find that a number of things are not exactly what they are taught you in the training center. You will also be faced with a number of choices. The only advice I can give you is that whatever choice you make, be sure that you can be, you take the choice that you can live with, a choice that will be reflective of the instructions that have been given to you, and the priorities and the principles that you hold most dear. The challenges before the Meghalaya Police grow with each passing day. The challenges that you, especially as unarmed branch constables, will face even more. I'm glad to hear that we have so many graduates and postgraduates amongst this 104. It is a reflection of the times when we did not have graduates and postgraduates opting to become recruit constables of Meghalaya Police. It is a reflection of the times also that with the passage of time, change happens, and these changes are welcomed. I would exhort all of the troop constables here today, whatever your background, whatever your qualifications, you are now a part of police force. You are expected to be disciplined, and you have displayed that in the parade that you have this morning. I wish you all the very, very best, and I am sure that what the commandant has said, that you will be a leading light in the Meghalaya police in the years to come. Once again, thank you, and Jai Hind. Thank you.
meghalayapost.news